the village of Kishanpur, where people lived happily together. Everyone was good-hearted, living with love and unity. Let's first meet the village head, whose name is Ramlal.
ओम जय जगदीश हरे, स्वामी जय जगदीश हरे, भक्त जनों के संकट पल में दूर करें। हरिओम हरिओम हरिओम।
Just like his name, his deeds were noble. He always worked for others' welfare, never let any villager face hardship.
Come, everyone come here.
Mukhiya ji, you are a good man. Because of you, we are able to feed ourselves.
Oh, this is my duty. Don't worry. If there is any problem, come and tell me.
Mukhiya ji, it's because of you my daughter's marriage happened so well. I can never forget your kindness.
All right. Don't praise me so much. I'm not that special.
Now let's meet another villager, Pawan. Every morning, Pawan takes out his food cart and heads to work.
It's really hot today, but no problem. Let's get to work.
After setting up his stall, Pawan arranges all his things. His first customer, Rajat, arrives.
Hey brother, how come you are here so early today? When such tasty biryani is sold so cheap, why wouldn't I come early? The moment your stall opens, customers rush here. If the biryani finishes, I'll be left out. True, but don't worry. I always keep some extra biryani for you. But I don't understand. Why do you sell it so cheap? At 5 rupees, you can't even cover your cost. I don't understand your business model. I'm not here only to make profit. You are a strange man. If profit is not your aim, why open a stall at all? You won't understand. So you want to do good for the world? Is that it? First you eat your biryani.
Rajat enjoys his biryani and leaves. After a full day's work, Pawan packs up his stall and then heads home through the fields. But on the way, something catches his eye.
Strange. The sugarcane crop is still standing here.
Just then, a man passes by. Pawan stops him.
Hey brother, do you know whose field this is? Yes, this field belongs to the Mukhiya ji. Oh, then do you know how he hasn't harvested it yet? All the other fields have been cut. Oh, that's because Mukhiya ji always leaves one of his fields unharvested every year. This seems strange, but we are used to of it. But why? No one knows exactly. He believes it brings him profit. Everyone has their own ways, I guess. Everyone is having their own choices.
Saying this, the man walks away. But Pawan stands there and stares at the fields, thinking.
Interesting.
After thinking for a bit, Pawan leaves. Days pass and he focuses on his work. Many customers come every day to eat Pawan's biryani. One day,
Brother, I must say, your biryani is tasty and the price is low. Once someone eats here, they never want to go anywhere else. It's all by God's grace. So, any news today? I almost forgot. You can't eat biryani without some spicy gossip, right? Tell me, right, huh? Well, gossip helps time pass. But seriously, I feel Sethji's behavior has been strange lately. Why is that? He's been looking nervous and scared these days. Oh, that's nothing. Give me some real spicy news. Come on. Brother, the only spice I know is in your biryani, not in my words.
days go by, but at night, after everyone is asleep,
Yes, all clear now. You can come. The path is safe.
Pawan, wearing a suit, gets into a fancy car and drives somewhere. Where? That will be revealed later. Then a few days later, a robbery takes place in the village.
Something's very wrong in our village. What's going on? Crime has increased, and last night some houses were robbed. Don't you know? What? Robberies too now? Times are bad. Truly Kal Yug.
While they were talking, Mohan arrives.
What happened? Why are you panting? Mukhya ji has called everyone. But why? They have found the thief. Mukhya ji said his true face will be revealed in front of everyone. All right, let's go then. Yes.
A village gathering is called and everyone is summoned.
You all know, in recent times, illegal activities in our village have increased. Some people have even been arrested. And now, thefts have started too. But finally, we have found out who is behind it. And today, I will unmask that man.
Mukhya ji, tell us who it is. We won't spare them.
That person is none other than...
Mukhya ji calls out the name and the name shocks everyone.
He is none other than Pawan. So it is Pawan behind all this. How can my hand be behind it? My hands are right here. Hey, don't joke. We are not here to laugh. We know everything. Better tell the truth. You are just a small biryani seller living in a rented house. Yes, selling biryani so cheap, you can't even cover costs. That's why you steal. And the stall is just an act, so no one suspects you. What? That's not true. Do you have proof? Mukhya ji said it. That's enough proof for us. We don't need any other proof.
Hearing all this, the villagers get angry and they rush to beat Pawan.
Hey, stop. Calm down. We must not take the law into our hands. We will begin legal action. You can't do this. Oh, so now you are challenging our Mukhya ji. See, Mukhya ji.
So now the whole village turns against Pawan. Police officers arrive and arrest him.
We'll look into everything and update you later. You all are requested to keep calm in the meantime.
Pawan is taken away. His stall is shut down. Everyone believes he is guilty. And the one to benefit most is Rohan.
Good. The thorn in my path is gone. Ever since he came, my biryani stopped selling. Now my stall will run again.
From the next day, Rohan reopens his biryani stall but hikes the prices far higher.
Your biryani prices have shot to the sky. Pawan was much better, selling so cheap. Yes, because he was doing shady businesses on the side. I have to survive, so why would I give you biryani for free? Okay, give me one plate.
Now everyone had no choice but to eat from Rohan's stall. Days pass until something happens that shocks the village again. Police officers arrive and with them Pawan dressed in an expensive suit.
Officer, why bring him here? He belongs in jail. Patience, you'll see.
The police bring Mukhya Ram Lal in handcuffs. The crowd boils with anger.
Welcome, Mukhya ji. Why are you arresting him?
Yes, take Pawan away. He is the cheater.
The villagers shout, but the police quiet them. Pawan speaks.
I'll tell you the truth. I am not thief. Mukhya ji has been deceiving you all for a long time. He framed me, had robberies done, and blamed me, so no one would believe me. What he didn't know is that I was working with the police. I am an undercover agent. Yes, I'm a detective.
Knowing the reality about Pawan, everyone is stunned.
Remember how he always left one of his fields unharvested? That's where he hid his black money. Gold buried under the soil, covered with crops, so no one suspected. When I found out, he tries to finish my name before I could speak. I was silently observing everything. But now, Mukhya ji, your time is over.
Knowing everything, the villagers became speechless.
You do not have any proof against me, but I have a solid proof against you. You have done to me wrong, Pavan. I won't spare you. Inspector, take him away.
Then the police arrested Ramlal and takes him along. The truth about Mukhya stuns the villagers. They never thought a man so respected could do something like this.
So, you are innocent. I'm so happy. Now we'll get your tasty biryani again. Cheap too. No, I won't continue this work. But don't worry, your business won't suffer because of me anymore. So, you are really a detective? I wasn't supposed to reveal my identity, but I came here undercover to solve this case. Now my work is done. I will always remember all of you. Thank you for your love and affection to me. You are really a detective. A secret one. That's why you always wanted spicy gossip. We'll miss your biryani. Don't worry, someone else will take over. Rohan. Me? Yes. Then give me your recipe. People still remember the taste of your biryani. They never like mine. That would be great help, Pavan. Please do tell me. You don't need a special recipe, Rohan. All you need is to cook with love. Be happy while making it. And the food will turn out well. Alright friends, time for me to go. We'll meet again someday.
And so Pavan solves his case and leaves. The real culprits are punished.